everyone, I'm Toyna Treadway with the Deeds Group. I'm here to tell you about my new listing at 1040 Stevens Street in Burleson, and I'm so excited for you to see it and check it out.
What I love about 1040 Stevens Street here in Burleson is when you walk in the home, you walk into the family room, and as you can see, it's a nice and large family room. It now exits and goes to the right, and you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath in the hallway. As you can see, these 2 rooms are very spacious. You could also leave the family room and bathroom and walk back down the hallway and go right into the dinette area and kitchen with the laundry room on the end. As you can see, it is a nice space as well. We have a full fridge, full washer and dryer that's in a utility room. And then you also have this dinette at the end of the house that's very useful as well. To the right of the home, on your left will be an awesome, it was a garage, but now has become another large family living space and or multiple kids room. Another large closet out here, as you can see, is amazing for storage, or it could be a nice bedroom for an extra child or a guest that you might have. Now as we leave this room, we go down the hallway and we have the master suite in the back, and it has a nice shower tub combo with his and her closets in the bathroom, and a very large master bedroom, which is on the complete left side of the home, away from your guest rooms and or kids' bedrooms. As you can see, this house has lots of square footage to offer, and the backyard is very large and amazing as well, and a great neighborhood. That's what I love about 1040. Thank you.
We can't wait for you to view all the space that this home offers. It's a great listing, and we are excited to see you here.